about starting your YouTube channel and choosing that niche. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that little bell for the notifications so you don't miss any of the videos that I post. So if you're ready to hear about some amazing niches for your new YouTube channel, stay tuned. So the first niche would be starting a tech channel. So if you love to talk about new electronics, maybe you love to talk about phones and which is the best phone and review phones on your channel, or maybe you love talking about the newest gadgets or the newest laptops or tablets, anything tech related, that is going to be an amazing channel to start. I myself always go to YouTube to check out if I'm going to purchase a new phone, a new computer, anything tech related. I want to see someone that has used that product and see what they think about it, or maybe even show someone how to navigate with that product and see if it would be something that I would like to purchase. So I love looking at those channels myself, so I think that would be an amazing channel to try. So another option for a niche would be a car channel. And so maybe you're really good at fixing cars and you want to show people how they can fix cars on their own and save them a little bit of money instead of bringing them to the shop. Or maybe you want to test drive cars on your channel, or go over the luxury cars or the new cars of the year and give your opinion and your review of those cars. So that could be a fun option to try as well if you're really into cars. Another idea is to have a real estate channel. So whether you're showing houses that you want to sell, showing people how to flip houses, how to sell houses, what it takes to purchase a home, maybe for those first-time home buyers. Maybe you're showing people luxury homes and what it's like, when you walk inside, and just showing them just fun, different houses that you're selling. Or you can share with people what it's like to become a real estate agent, what things did you have to do, what classes did you need to take in order to get your real estate license. So that's something that you can try. Another niche to try would be having a social media education channel. So a lot of times there's people, whether it's an individual or a business, that wants to learn about social media. So maybe they want to start Twitter or an Instagram for their business and they have no idea how to go about it or how to gain those followers, or even teaching people how to build a website. And so there's so many different areas that you could go into and educating people on how to use social media to their advantage, whether they're an individual or if they're a business. Another niche to try would be creating a channel that would teach students how to get into college. And so teaching them how to write that essay for the college applications, studying for the ACTs, also teaching them how to prepare when they're in college. So tips for studying and for final exams and for writing papers and things like that. And maybe it's organizing time in order to do all the things that they want to do. So a lot of times in college, it's about juggling time. It's about knowing how to study, different things like that. So that may be an option that you want to try. Another niche that is huge right now is cleaning and organizational videos. And so just teaching people how to clean, or maybe the best products that you like using, just showing them how they can organize different rooms. There's so many different things that you can share on a cleaning or organization channel that people will find helpful. Another niche that goes along with organization is planning. And so you could create a planning channel, teaching people how to plan their days or just stay organized throughout the day. And so maybe you're showing them how you plan your day on the computer or by using planners and things like that. And so that's actually a bigger thing than you would think. Maybe you niche down and say, here's how to plan for starting a business, or plan for being in college, or plan for work and how you incorporate all the different things that you want to get done during the day. Another niche to try would be a declutter channel. And so it's kind of on the organization side, but basically teaching people how to declutter their homes or declutter maybe just specific rooms. This is going to be really helpful for people that want to become a minimalist. And so if that's something that you enjoy or you're really good at, give that niche a try. Another niche to try would be teaching people all about stocks. I mean, let's face it, stocks, there's so many things that go into stocks. And so you could kind of teach people how to handle stocks, what to invest in, how investment works, and then what to do with those investments once they start rolling. So that could be something that could just snowball into so many different areas because a lot of people are interested in stocks. Another niche to try would be a motivational channel or a meditation channel. And a lot of times you see these with people getting like stock photos or stock videos, and then maybe they'll just have a voiceover over it, or maybe they'll just have music over it. A lot of times you'll see just music over stock videos or stock pictures if it's something like meditation. So if it's a motivational video, then a lot of times you'll hear different clips of different motivational speakers, or maybe that person is the motivational speaker that they're speaking over those clips. And so that's something that's really big right now, and it may be something that you want to give a try. Another niche that would be great to start this year would be a mental health channel. Because as we know, there's a lot going on in this world right now. And so kind of teaching people how to deal with stress and anxiety, all those different things. And so that may be something, if you're really good at, you may want to share with them maybe different exercises that you try to stay stress-free, or just share with them what you do on a daily basis to make sure that you're centered, where you don't feel overwhelmed. Another fun niche to try would be doing cooking channels. And so there's so many different cooking channels that you could create. You could have a baking channel and show people how to make a bunch of fun desserts, or maybe niche down into Italian food or Mexican food or soul food. There's so many different foods that you could kind of niche down and just show people how to make different recipes, or just different things in the kitchen. And so that could be something fun. I know for me, I love watching cooking videos. It gives me a little bit of inspiration of trying different things. So maybe that might be a niche that you want to give a try. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing your new YouTube niche. If you liked the video, smash that like button down below. And until next time, I'll see you later.